These are the snapshots of Bob Allder's experience in Boston, being on the front lines of the COVID-19 pandemic. He was there in April through June, helping as much as he could with patients in the ICU.
It's emotional. These are people that you're dealing with their lives with more complications with the COVID. And it was very isolating. Again, everything being closed down. You're in the hospital for, it's 12-hour shifts. It's more like 14.
Allder will spend Thanksgiving with his family here in Las Vegas and then fly back to Boston for another couple of months.
It's a calling for what we do. And I just, for every family that has lost a loved one, I grieve with every one of them.
But this time, he's going back to Boston with a heavy heart. A friend of his, Dr. Michael Brown, an ER doctor here in the Valley, just died days ago of cancer. Allder says Dr. Brown developed cancer as a result of a search and rescue operation of his brother in New York during 9/11. Dr. Brown's brother, a firefighter, died that day on 9/11.
I knew if Mike was here, he'd be working. He'd be working through this. I just said in Mike's memory, I said, I can't sit back anymore. I'm going back. I'm going to be on the front lines, and I'm going to deal with this until the vaccine is available and this virus is vanquished.
While COVID-19 cases and hospitalizations continue to rise across the country, Bob Allder is hopeful that the U.S. will get through this. While he does not approve of another lockdown, he says that people still need to follow the CDC recommendations to stop the spread of COVID-19.
We're very close to a vaccine. The treatments are much, much better than they were when we were first exposed to this. We're much smarter. We're treating people much more successfully. And if everybody uses good common sense, we're all going to get through this hopefully sooner than later.
Astrid Mendez, 13 Action News.